This is the reason why I started getting out of bed with energy and getting to work as soon as possible. I always thought I had good motivation and purpose recently, and I was still thinking, why am I still so lazy? Like, I'd do a couple hours of work maybe one day, but then I'd stop and I'd just not want to do any more because I just felt like I didn't have the energy for it, and I'd want to just be lazy and do lazy things. So what is this? What is this all-powerful supplement that gives you your energy back? This red little bean. It's not vitamin D, if you couldn't tell. It's not fish oil, it's not magnesium. It's iron. Iron. Now, I know what you're thinking. I eat red meat. I eat things with iron. My cereal's infused with iron. Get this. Cereal that's infused with iron, completely useless. Why? Because calcium blocks iron. What a kicker. So if you have iron-infused cereal, Nutri-Grain, anything, any cereal that's iron-infused, a lot of them are nowadays, useless. And these companies know this. But when you say iron-infused, you're like, hell yeah. Hell no. You don't get any benefits from it. Now, my issue was I was eating a lot of red meat and I still had low iron, so it was just an absorption issue. I got that fixed, and now I have iron supplements every morning. My iron levels are nice and high. I have all the energy in the world. So let's say you have an awesome diet, your exercise is pristine, and you're sleeping incredibly. I'd say the 3 factors that are the best for when it comes to your energy levels. If you have low iron, doesn't matter. You'll still be lazy. That's how much it impacts you. So, if I had one recommendation for a supplement that you should take, it's this bad boy. But make sure you're low in it first. That's really important. You might be, and you probably are, if you've clicked on this video. So I would get it checked out immediately. And let's say you're not low in iron, then you can cross it off the list. And then maybe there's something wrong with your sleep, or one of the other main factors. But this is like the secret, the 4th of the sleep, exercise, and diet categories. It's the 4th one, because it's so important. You do not want to be low in iron if you want to be productive. That's it. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, or don't. If you have something to say, chuck it in the comments. I'll respond. Till next time.